Hey there, I just want to talk a bit about Magic Submitter. This is a very powerful piece of software. Any affiliate marketer must have this software if they want to succeed. Or for that matter, any business. If any business wants to rank high on Google or YouTube or any other search engine, then you really do need Magic Submitter. It's been around for a few years now, and it's always improving. The creator, Alex Kulik, is just a genius when it comes to creating affiliate marketing software. Now, as it says, it's like having an army of marketers 24 hours a day because you can set campaigns up and just let them run, and it's doing all this work for you in the background. Now, it automatically creates hundreds of accounts. It'll verify all your accounts, spin your submissions, and it submits your content to over 2,000 sites. There's article sites, blog sites, forums, um, there's social media submissions. It'll solve all your capture verifications, and it just gets thousands of backlinks, as it says here, on autopilot. And also ping and bookmark and even spin your links. And the best thing about it is you can schedule all your marketing for 24/7, set it up to run for weeks. Great for any SEO business. You can create professional reports for your customers, and you can actually add hundreds of more websites with just a few clicks. And it's got many other features. Now, you cannot go wrong with Magic Submit. It's what you really do need to succeed with your online business. So keep watching and you'll see some more features of the Magic Submit software.